Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the right-hand drawer slide in this LG refrigerator, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Fully extend out the top freezer tray by lifting the front, then pull out the ice container. Next, pull and lift out the freezer tray. Unthread and remove the 3 screws on the drawer slide and remove it. To install the new drawer slide, position the slide within the freezer cavity by inserting the tab on the back end and secure it with the 3 Phillips head screws. Slide the tray back into the guide rails. Then insert the ice container. The LG refrigerator should now be ready for use.